This is ERi-TV, dear viewers. Welcome to English News Broadcast for this hour. I'm Barsabet Takhla, and coming up are the major headlines for today. Students' Festival in the Southern Region concludes. Students' Cultural and Sports Week begins in Ansaba region. Russia's Putin to visit China and hold talks with Xi. And New Caledonia closes airport and imposes curfew after violence. On your domestic reports, the Students' Festival in the Southern Region held from 10 to 12 May under the theme Students' Festival for National Cohesion concluded with a ceremony at Mandefera Stadium. The festival was organized in connection with the 33rd Independence Day anniversary. More than 1,250 students participated in the festival, which featured a variety of competitions, including cultural and sports events, general knowledge competition, photography, painting, innovation and creativity, debating, as well as music and drama. Mr. Habtasgi Gidane, head of the education office in the region, noted that the festival significantly contributes to the preservation of national culture and identity, as well as identifying talented sports people who could represent the region and the country. He also commended the students for their participation and competitiveness. Mr. Tsege Habtasgi, head of Culture, Sports and Health, expressed appreciation for the teachers and coordinators for their relentless contribution. Awards were also presented to winners of various competitions. In related news, the Students' Sports Week in the Southern Region, held from 10 to 12 May, concluded with awards being distributed to winners. The Cultural and Sports Week in Ansaba region began on 13 May in Karen City. Ambassador Abdullah Musa, governor of the region, officially opened the event, which will continue until 17 May. The week includes competitions in football, volleyball, basketball, and cultural and artistic programs. Over 1,600 students from 400 schools across the 9 subzones of the region are participating. Mr. Kiflai Andemikael, head of the education office in the region, highlighted the significance of the program, especially since it coincides with the eve of the 33rd Independence Day anniversary. He emphasized its role in nurturing competent students who adhere to noble societal values, noting the active involvement of the Ministry of Education's branch in its implementation and continuity. Mr. Agusti Mahari, head of Culture, Sports and Health, stated that the program was conducted at every single school in the region and at the subzonal level, culminating in this regional event. She called on all concerned institutions to contribute effectively to the program's success. On your last local news, the Massawa Subzone branch of the National Association of Eritrean War Disabled Veterans held its annual congress on 11 May, during which a new executive committee was elected. Mr. Mohammed Noor Idris, head of the Organization and Information in the National Association, urged the war disabled veterans to enhance their organizational capacity and actively participate in the national development programs. He also encouraged those who are not yet members to join the association and benefit from the social and material support it offers. Participants engaged in extensive discussions on issues raised during the meeting and expressed their commitment to strengthen their organizational capacity and work diligently to improve their livelihoods. Mr. Haile Asfaha, administrator of the subzone, affirmed the subzonal administration's support for the association in all its endeavors. The viewers, stay tuned for your international reports and more after the short break. Welcome back. Russian President Vladimir Putin will visit China from May 16 to 17 and hold a meeting with Chinese President Xi Jinping. China's Foreign Ministry confirmed today, Tuesday, May 14. It will be Putin's first foreign trip in his new 6-year term, underscoring Russia's deepening relationship with China. The two countries declared a no-limits partnership in February 2022 when Putin visited Beijing. During the visit, Putin, 71, and Xi, 70, will take part in a gala evening celebrating 75 years since the Soviet Union recognized the People's Republic of China, which was declared by Mao Zedong in 1949. On today's final report, New Caledonia mobilized security forces, closed its international airport and imposed a curfew in the capital after protesters turned violent and police were attacked, the French High Commission said today. The French High Commission said in a statement that significant disturbances in the capital, Nouméa, and surrounding township were ongoing, and numerous buildings including shops, pharmacies and car dealerships were damaged. So far, 36 people had been arrested. The protests and violence happened on Monday ahead of a debate on Tuesday in the French National Assembly on changes to the New Caledonian constitution. The proposed changes would allow more French residents to vote in New Caledonia elections, which independent supporters fear will dilute the vote of indigenous Kanak. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. Students' Festival in the Southern region concludes. Students' Cultural and Sports Week begins in Ansava region. Russia's Putin to visit China and hold talks with Xi. And New Caledonia closes airport and imposes curfew after violence. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.